Welcome back, everyone, to another exciting episode of Tech Lock. I'm your host, Emily, and today we have a fascinating topic to dive into, all about hacking. We'll be discussing what to study, potential job opportunities, and the packages you can expect in the world of ethical hacking. So whether you're an aspiring hacker or just curious about this field, this video is for you. Let's get started. First things first. What exactly is hacking? Hacking is the art of finding vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and software to gain unauthorized access or manipulate them. But before we continue, it's essential to emphasize that ethical hacking is the focus of our discussion today. Ethical hackers are individuals who use their skills to protect systems and networks, not to compromise them. Now, if you want to become an ethical hacker, you need to know where to start. Here are some key areas to study. Programming languages. Learn languages like Python, C, and Java, as they are crucial for understanding how software works and identifying vulnerabilities. Networking. Gain a strong understanding of networking protocols, including TCP/IP, to comprehend how data flows across networks. Operating systems. Study various operating systems, especially Linux, to grasp how they function and secure them effectively. Cybersecurity. Dive into cybersecurity concepts such as cryptography, network security, and security assessments. Web application security. Understand web development and common vulnerabilities like SQL injection, XSS, and CSRF. Certifications. Consider getting certifications like Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, or Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, to validate your skills. Now that you're equipped with the right knowledge, what job opportunities can you explore as an ethical hacker? Well, there are several exciting options. Penetration tester. Also known as an ethical hacker, penetration testers identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks to help organizations enhance their security. Security analyst. Security analysts work to monitor, assess, and secure an organization's information systems. Incident responder. These professionals handle security incidents, including data breaches, and work to mitigate their impact. Security consultant. Security consultants provide expert advice to organizations looking to strengthen their cybersecurity measures. One of the questions on everyone's mind is, what's the earning potential in ethical hacking? Well, it's pretty lucrative. Salaries can vary widely based on factors like experience, location, and job role. On average, entry-level ethical hackers can earn around $60,000 to $80,000 annually. But as you gain more experience, your salary can increase significantly. Senior ethical hackers can make well over six figures, and in some cases, even more. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of hacking, what to study, job opportunities, and potential salary packages in the world of ethical hacking. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on fascinating topics. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below.